To fix your Ethernet speed capped at 100 megabytes per second, we first have to navigate to the Start menu and right-click on it. Then with this selected, proceed to tap on Device Manager, and a pop-up menu will appear. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then under Device Manager, make sure to scroll down a bit until you locate Network Adapter, and make sure to tap on this arrow icon beside it. And then I'm going to proceed to select my Ethernet network adapter, which is this. So I'm going to make sure to double-click on it, and then proceed to tap on Advanced. Then with this selected, among the list of property, scroll down until you locate Speed and Duplex and select on it. And the value, we are going to select it to either be 1 gigabyte per second full duplex, or we're going to make it as auto negotiation. Then after that, proceed to tap on OK. And this is how to fix Ethernet speed capped at 100 megabytes per second. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.